Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this video, I will show you how to remove a credit or debit card from Apple Pay on your iPhone. Whether you're switching banks, replacing a card, or just cleaning up your wallet, the process is quick and easy. Let's get started. Here's how you can remove a card from Apple Pay from your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Tap on the credit card or debit card that you wish to remove. Then tap on the More option. This is the button with three dots in the top right corner. Here, select Card Details, scroll down and then tap on Remove Card option. Confirm by tapping on Remove again. That's it, the card is now removed from Apple Pay on your iPhone. If you prefer using settings, here's another way of removing a card from your iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay option. Here, under Payment Cards, select the card that you want to remove. Then tap on the Remove Card option. Finally, confirm your choice. This method works exactly the same way and removes the card instantly. Remember, removing a card from Apple Pay does not cancel your physical credit card. You can re-add the card anytime using the Wallet app. If your iPhone is lost or stolen, you can remove cards remotely using Find My or iCloud. And that's it. This is how you can remove a credit card from your Apple Pay account on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.